social pressure. It means social activities and social persons and social organization also affect the political science or politics of a state. So I mean to say that it means the change are coming in the society's mindset at that time. The changes were coming in the mindset of the society of that particular time, at that particular era. When the mindset is changed, then thoughts will also change, and this change is not affected only any particular thing. The changes will be definitely affect all the social science subjects at that time. But committee were facing social pressure a lot at that time. Who says that? Mr. Woodrow Wilson says that. At that pressure, who are sorry. (1885). Do you know this year? This is the foundation year of Congress in India. And the social pressure was related to political parties, pressure group, and social organization. It means these are the source of social pressure, or all these elements are related to common man, general people. It means they are want a they all these are wanted a participation, important role in that political system. That means Woodrow Wilson also advocated all that situations which is related to common man. The next thinker who has tried to change the traditional political approach, James Bryce. James Bryce. James Bryce, American Commonwealth. 1888 first volume and 1898 third volume. He studies the American political structures. Mainly, you have to know the main political thinkers who tried to change the approaches, tried to make new approaches and apply to new approaches are related to American political system. It means American political philosophers, American political thinkers are mostly worked for the changes in political science. They tried to make political science to pure science. James discussed in their book about American political system. Okay, then he also studies conditions that affected the nature of a man, nature and mood of human. It means he also studies the causes and the factors that affected to Manav nature and mood. It means he also got attraction towards the man nature. He also attracted by the man's nature in political science. His volume 3rd talking about many topics as justice, equality. I am talking about 1888. Justice, equality and political parties, and humanism या feminism. Parties and feminism, position of the woman in politics. Okay, He James also demand of life of quality. Quality life. Demands of quality life. The quality of life. It means I have told you before that everything is related to human life, human development, human culture, human ideology, and what the human needs and what are the need of a society. All the subject matter related to modern political science. Now you are developing that you can see why is Mr. Bazhot important, because middle class supporter. Second, Woodrow Wilson supported committees, and committees are related to society or social pressure. And Mr. James Bryce studies of causes which affected to the human nature. ठीक है? And now we can say all the three political thinkers, all the three political thinkers tried to separation of political science from legal and institutional study. Institutional study. This is the first try. This is the first try. But they were not succeed. But they were not succeed. Okay, it means this first try was unfruitful. Another sense, this try was not worked as they want. यानी उतनी सक्सेस नहीं हुई जितनी वो चाहते हैं। स्टार्ट यानी इसने सिर्फ एक शुरुआत दी, एक बेस। दिस वर्क इज प्रोवाइड ए बेस टू नेक्स्ट स्टेज। दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेज व्हेन they try to separation, they try to separation from institutional and legal approach, legal study. It means at that time only legal and institutional study means the study of political science. According to these political thinkers, this is not enough. It is limited approaches are to study of political science. Now we will study about next person. शिकागो यूनिवर्सिटी, अमेरिकन यूनिवर्सिटी, three main political thinkers: P.B. Smith, Charles Merriam, and Harold Loswell. After death of Charles Merriam, David Stern joined these two persons. Harold Loswell. Okay, now we will study about Mr. Charles. New aspects of politics, 1925. The book was written by Mr. Charles Merriam. He announced that the traditional political approach is not relative. Has not relevance because of historical method, because of the traditional political approach traditional political approach not develop any new concept theory, etc., etc. It means there is no new work is done or is not created by traditional political approach. So Mr. Charles supported behaviorism, behavioral approach. This is the first person who support the behavioralism. It means when you can't study in the basis of modern situation, it means the study, that particular study will not be fruitful, it is useless. So if you want to study properly present situation, so you have to study in modern way, in modern manner. So Mr. Charles Merriam put their new ideas about modern political approach or political approach. So you can say this idea was new at that time. The next person, Harold Laswell. Book Who Gets What, When, How, in 1936. He studied of elite group. Elite means most powerful person in society, in the state, who affect the political system. Mr. Laswell he described about political allied group. And its effect. It means it is not a government. Allied means they have power to affect the politics, but they are not government itself. It is not related to government or state. According to him, politics are always affected by most powerful or most powerful and strong persons or group. It means now you can see in present Indian politics, someone says Adani, Ambani, and Mr. Technical जो persons are affected all the elections. They finance all the political parties, and after, when that particular political parties won or elected, then that financiers, it means that persons related to allied group demand their profits, their benefits. They always recommend the government to work according to their benefits. So they are economically effective persons, but they affect the politics also on the basis of their finance. So I will ठीक है. Loswell mainly studies about political elite. Next, Davidson. Davidson told us current meaning of behavioralism. He is also connected both behavioralism and post-behavioralism. These are the new concept new approaches in political science. He talking about continuity according to him politics is pure science. He talking is he talk about political techniques. Techniques and verification. If someone asks you why is politics is a science, then you can say that techniques and verifications are working in political science. You can verify any fact, any behavior, any research. You can study of political science on analytical basis. He not advocacy. He didn't advocacy of values. This is the new thing. This is the new ideas, new concept of to study of political science. Now we can say that why is this approach is called modern approach, modern perspective, because it is value free approach. There are two phases of modern political approach. First, behavioralism. Second World War II, 1970s. Second, post behavioralism, 1970 at present. But now new institutionalism, new liberalism, are related to new modern political science. Okay. This is your next topic, so we will study about in next videos, which is related to this, which is related to political science, and our second unit is included all this new. Our next topic is include these two most important modern political approach. It means modern political approaches are included with logical study, empirical study, behavioralism, sociological study, scientific study, which is based on psychology, mathematical methods, psychological methods, and graphs, charts, statistics. So it means on the basis of these methods, when you study of political science, it means political science is developed by these methods. Okay, now this topic is completed. I hope you will be understood very clear. If you have any doubt, then we will talk, then will we discuss about that doubts in next offline classes. I hope they will be started very soon. Then till then, bye bye. We will meet in next video. Complete your topics one by one, and study will be continue by you. Continuous study will give result definitely. Go ahead day by day. Okay, we will meet in next video. ठीक है, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.